Oh boy. Once again, I appreciate it, man. This is the top set going for my guy out there in Chirac. White gold, 8 on 8. He got the 8 on 8 piece with the front 6 bust down. This is what they look like in the best light ever, which is sunlight. You see them things as they call dancing. Honeycomb style. Setting, I believe this is 10K white gold. That is gorgeous work right there. Using high, clean diamonds. Great color. We go at least G color and above. No lower than J. We don't go no lower than J, especially for white gold, because you'll start seeing that faint yellow, and that's not what we want. We want to keep these things clean. Thank you, everybody that's been supporting the channels, man, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, all that good stuff, YouTube now. Appreciate you guys for being so supportive. It's been a wonderful, wonderful week. Doing a lot of different stuff, you know, not just grills. We're doing nameplate pendants. A lot of nameplate pendants. Everybody seems to want their names in diamonds. And I'm doing them from 1 year on up, 1 year old on up, man. I got some pieces coming in right now. You will be seeing them on the channel, so be on the lookout. Just do a bunch of stuff up on the website if y'all want to check it out. Got the Versace grill up there. Got the 4-piece bust down we just finished the other day. Sorry, y'all, I've been working today, so hands is a little rough, but don't trip, man. Your hands is clean at work. You know that's a problem, man. Or either you're doing something that doesn't involve using your hands. Once again, shout out to my dude Alejandro out there in Chirac, bro. Got that stone replaced. I had to replace it myself, actually. You know, got the stones and just popped it in there. Made that bead nice and tight so that stone won't fall out. But this is a piece right here, man. This thing is gorgeous. Thank you, everybody, once again. Y'all have a blessed week, all right? Peace out.